Okay, welcome again to my YouTube channel. I'm Push Tech. So I want to quickly show you two types of DSTV dish. There are two types. You know, the last time I told you that the DSTV dish, if you look at my previous video I did on satellite beam and dish sizes, I told you that DSTV dish will make sure that they were not up to 90 centimeters. And the reason because that one had a hole in between. Understand? Anyone that has a hole in between is not up to 90, it's about 85 cm. So, but there's another one that has that don't have hole in between. Like this one, there's no hole in between. There's no hole in between this. You can see there's no hole in between this. This one is completely full. This one is bigger. So the one that don't have hole in between is a complete 90 cm dish. While the one that have hole here is not up to 90 cm, it's 85 cm dish. So for you to get the complete 90 cm dish, just look for the one that's the LMB handle pass through under. Why this one LMB handle is from inside passes through this hole. So this one is not up to. Why this one is up to. And most of them here are the same. They're the same one that the hole passes inside the dish. Even this one here. So take note of it when you're going to buy your dish. Insist that the one you want is this one that the hole. There's no hole inside the dish. So that's the one that has the full 90 centimeter dish. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.